What's going on, everybody? So I'm gonna do a post live stream right now, post market live stream. There's a lot of big news going on. One of the biggest news right now is, have you guys checked out IGC, IGCC? They are up over, I think they're up over 400% right now. Apparently, they're gonna be listed on the New York Stock Exchange. I don't know how that's possible. I heard that you had to have like a market a share price of like over $4 or over a certain amount in order to be listed to the New York Stock Exchange. But apparently they're going to get relisted on the New York Stock Exchange. IGCC is currently up 400%. And yeah, it's crazy. So there's also some other news I want to talk about. Yeah, IGC is on fire. Actually, someone on the pre-market show today brought it up. They said that in the morning IGC was up 50%, and IGC has been on fire. Also, I do want to talk about Khiron. I did I think two swing trades with Khiron today. Khiron also had a decent day, not too crazy, but I still made some pretty decent coin. Yeah, maybe it was you, right, Shay Griffin? Someone called out IGC. I think it was Shay Griffin. And yeah, IGC has been on fire, 400% in one day. I just want to warn you guys to be careful with this company. It could continue to push forward, but this company has been very volatile. We're going to take a look at IGC real quick. I've made a couple videos on IGC. So right now, IGC is currently up 392%. So now they're starting to dip down. But this company has had massive runs, and then they had a lot of allegations, a lot of things going on. I made a couple videos like titled "Is IGC a Scam?" And as you can see right here, it had a massive run. It went from being a penny stock all the way to being a $14 stock. This company has pretty much just jumped on trends. During this time when it hit a dollar something, I think it jumped onto the blockchain trend, and then around this time it jumped on the marijuana trend, and then when it had this huge run, it jumped on the CBD trend. And then I forget what company, but I have a full video on it where there was all these allegations, all these buildings that they said that were their headquarters. Everything just got proven false. So yeah, let me just take a look. So yeah, IGC is currently up at oh man, someone's calling me. I can't really answer the call right now. So yeah, IGC. Let's just take a look at their paper right now. They do have a pretty good valuations. Pretty good valuations right now. They have a 3.1 price to revenue, a 6.86 price to sales. Price to book is 1.4. So they look good on paper. It just seems super risky right now, and they just had a massive run. Like they have just that one green bar. They went from being a penny stock all the way to $1.91. So yeah, I don't know. Let me just see what you guys are saying. What do you guys think about IGC? Yeah, oh, they got the charges dropped, eh? That's crazy. And they're gonna get relisted on the New York Stock Exchange. Sunif and Tigod is working with them. Have you checked with Hello MD? I haven't checked, but I'll have to take a look at them. Who's it? Oh, yes, but what about but what about my puppies? You guys want to see the puppies, eh? We could check them out real quick. Let me just see the cameras how they're doing. Make it a little bigger so you guys can actually see the puppies. Can I make it bigger? How do I? Oh, there you go. Come here, little guys. They want to say hi. Say hi, little guys. Hey. Oh no, there they are. Say hi. Oh, be careful. But yeah, no, the puppies seem to be doing fine. I just wanted to talk about a little bit about IGC. Also, I do want to talk about Khiron. I might just make a video on Khiron right now. We'll look at the post market, see how these companies are doing. IGC continues to make a push forward. I just want to see how IGC is doing. I mean, let's see how Aurora is doing right now in the post market. So yeah, it's just crazy. I don't think I've ever seen a company go up 400% in one day. I don't know if you guys ever witnessed that. It was crazy to see that run happen. When I saw they were up 50% in the pre-market, I thought for sure they were going to decline, but somehow IGC continued to push forward the whole day. I was just shocked to see that. I don't know how high do you guys think IGC is gonna go? Do you think they're gonna go back to the $10 range? It's just it's crazy seeing that. Yeah, don't invest in IGC. I wouldn't recommend anyone to do it, but it is very tempting not to do an investment, but to do a swing trade or a day trade with them, because there's a lot of potential for to make some decent coin in there. They want the buy-ins. They will go down post market because they want the buy-ins. They probably will. Let's just. I don't mind keeping an eye out on them right now because IGC is just. That's just ridiculous. I've never seen such a massive run in one day. They're up 436%. So it's not stopping. They're still. Let's look at the 1 minute chart. IGC is just simply on fire. Yeah, they're still pushing forward. It doesn't seem like they're slowing down. This is just a crazy run they've had today. Like it just nonstop. Like look at that. First they started off the day up 50% and then just red hot the whole day, just on fire. IGC. But then again, who knows? Apparently their charges got dropped. I'm gonna have to do a little more research on this company. I'm just someone brought it up this morning, so what you guys think IGC is gonna go up to $20? You did the day trade off the news, eh? How much did you buy in and sell off, if you don't mind? How much percentage did you make? That wasn't on my radar. Yeah, well in the morning, someone brought them up. They were up 50%. Shay Griffin brought them up. They said IGCC is up 50%, and yeah, IGC has been killing it. Do you guys see me clearly? Because right now when I'm looking at my video, it just shows that I'm loading. Okay, there you go. Now I'm more up to date. So MJ stocks are good, puppies are better. What's going on, CoinStacks? We're just taking a look at IGC right now. How much are they running up? IGC is now up 444%. This company is not stopping. 444% for IGC. Like at this point, is IGC gonna go back to its previous all-time highs? Because if you look at their 1 year chart, IGC went up all the way to $15 almost, 14.50. Now I'm definitely not recommending anyone to buy this company because you've seen the volatility, you've seen how high it spiked here, and then how quickly it immediately dropped, and then almost within the next month it went to a penny stock. So right now IGC is valued at $2.07, and it continues to push forward 439%. It's shocking how much this company is just moving right now, and it's still continuing to move. Let's see, that wasn't on my radar. I made my ACHV made my money today, eh? Let's take a look at ACHV. I wonder how high IGC is gonna push today. Hold on, I don't know why my video's being weird. So yeah, Khiron's I did 2 swing trades with Khiron today. I think I'm just gonna make a separate video on Khiron. But yeah, Khiron did pretty well. SHMP, I think they were on fire today. Let's look at today's biggest winner. So today's biggest winner, obviously IGC. They're up 428%. Now they're starting to decline, but they'll probably continue to push. Roku was up 25%. CUV, ticker symbol CUV, was up 25%. They're a technology software company, CUV Ventures. IQ, I'm pretty sure that's the company, IQEE, went up 21%. Mara, Marathon Patent Group, went up 16%. Two Rivers Water and Farming went up 17%. TRTC, TerraTech, went up 12.5%. A lot of big winners today. And 48 North went up 9%. NMX went up 9.2%. I'm surprised to not see Khiron. Oh yeah, there's SHMP, went up 7.75%. BE, Bloom Energy Corporation, went up 8.5%. So all these companies, but nothing right now is even close to what IGC did today. 426%. I think at this point, are they still trading? I think IGC, nope, they're going back down to $2. Anyone gonna be buying IGC? I don't recommend it. Metafarms, Khiron. just did a day trade off the news. That's good. Well, buy the rumors, sell the news. I hope you. Who knows? Maybe IGC is gonna continue to push forward. If Monday it's looking good, I might do a swing trade. Just risk it. Maybe like a small trade with IGC. I don't see. I know there's a lot of risk, but I won't be risking a lot of money. Yeah, Roku did really good today. They beat earnings yesterday. Um, Roku did 25% today, so those are the two biggest winners. Roku 25% and IGC 430%. I think Roku. Let's see how they're trading. And Roku after hours. Doesn't look right. Yeah, Roku's up after I mean post market, but it's not accurate. It's saying they're up 25.47%, but I think they're only up 0.3%, 0.33% in the post market. So, yeah, Roku is continuing to push forward in the post market. They just announced amazing earnings. Let's take a look at Roku real quick. They have a nice price to revenue, 8.5, price to sales 10.9. Roku's looking good. Plus, they did beat earnings, or I think they beat gross revenue. I forget which one it was. So yeah, is SHMP a long term hold? Honestly, let's take a look at them real quick. It's a penny stock. A penny stock can go either way. So this could easily one day be a $5 stock, or this could be a stock that goes bankrupt. Right now, they're currently valued at 42 cents. They had a huge, massive run, almost up to $1. Huge decline. Let's look at their technical analysis. It's a buy, a strong buy. The 1 minute, it's a sell and a strong sell. Honestly, I'd feel nervous holding this company over the weekend. It's tough to say. There's no price to revenue. There's no price to sales. How old is this company? I don't know. It's honestly hard to say. It's a fresh. No, it's not a new company. This is a tough call because you see right here when they IPO'd all the way at $10 and then immediately dropped, and they've been dropping ever since. They've recently had a nice run. Uh, it's honestly a huge risk if you want to hold on to it long term. It's you got to invest it at your own risk. I don't know. I personally would only day trade or swing trade this company, and if I was holding something long term, it would be a small position. But you never know. This company can easily go back up to the dollar range. So it's a high risk company, that's for sure. Penny stocks are usually always like that. I bought VRUS. Well, we'll take a look at VRUS. Check out VRUS. So someone, okay, is MedMen a good long term hold? We'll check all these companies out. VRUS. So this isn't a company I had on my watch list. Up 22% today. Had a nice run. Let's see their 52-week range. They're right in the middle of their 52-week range, as you can see here. So these charts are looking yeah, it looks like they've been on a nice downfall. Let's see their market cap, small market cap 7.94. Wow, but their shares outstanding 1.5 billion. That's a lot of shares for a penny stock. This is a sub penny stock actually. Price to revenue 1.74, price to sales 2.4. Not bad. Um I don't know. Honestly, the valuations look good. Price to revenue looks good. Price to sales look good. I just don't like how they have 1.5 billion shares outstanding, and then their market cap is only 7.9 million, which explains why they're a sub penny stock. Like, you gotta own a lot of shares to yeah, to I don't know. This is a like I like their valuations. I just don't like the share dilution. It is a small market cap though. This is a tough call, and it's a sub penny stock. This is very risky, so you guys can invest at your own risk for that one. So is MedMen a good long term? I've been hearing a lot of good things about MedMen. Uh, let's just take a look at them real quick. Honestly, I'm just glimpsing past them. This is like you gotta do some serious research. Even go visit their facilities if you have to, because that's how you do your due diligence. That's the best way to do it. So right now, MedMen, they seem to be right near the bottom. Price to book looks good. Price to sales looks decent. Market cap isn't that big. Total shares outstanding isn't bad. It doesn't look like a bad company. it's tough to tell honestly, because right now technical analysis, it's a sell, 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 buy, strong buy in the 1 minute. Like I like the company, but it's near the bottom. It looks like it could be making a nice run soon, and its valuations aren't that bad either. This company could definitely move up on some good news. Long term, I don't know. To be honest, I don't know about long term. I just know in the short term, this company might make a nice run in the short term, especially because they're near the 52-week lows. But long term, it all depends how the company progresses, pretty much. Let's see what else you guys have to say. I thought IGC went. I know. I thought IGC went bankrupt too. They got delisted from the New York Stock Exchange. Let's see how they're doing now. Let's see if they're still continuing to push forward. IGC is just a stock that seems to surprise us. Now they're down to the 191, only up 402%. Still a massive run, 402% in 1 day. In the post market, they're up 2.62%. So they seem to continue. So they seem to be continuing to push forward in the post market. So yeah, IGC is just, it's killing it. Who knows what's gonna happen Monday? Are they gonna go up another 100%? Yeah, that's good. Honestly, I do a bit of everything. I do swing trades, I do day trades, and I have some long term investments. I do a little bit of everything, because there's some positions where I know I don't feel confident holding onto them long term, and there's some positions where I feel confident. So it all depends on the company. I got a hard on for IGC. Honestly, I would not recommend anyone to chase IGC just as quickly. 402% in 1 day, just as quickly as this. But then again, it's supposed to be getting listed on the New York Stock Exchange. I thought there were some requirements to get listed in the New York Stock Exchange. Like I thought it was like you had to have like a minimum of $4 a share. Your market cap had to be a certain amount, and you had to have a certain amount of shareholders. I remember I made a video on what it takes to qualify on the New York Stock Exchange, and looking at this at IGC at their valuations, it doesn't look like they qualify to be listed on the New York Stock Exchange. So that's kind of weird. I'm gonna have to do some more research on that. But yeah, it's like, looks like that's it for IGC. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to touch up real quick on IGC. Let me know if you guys are gonna be buying IGC. What you guys think? If you guys have any more requests, let me know. I probably will be having a video coming up soon. It's gonna be on Khiron. I did 2 swing trades on Khiron today. Nothing too big. Khiron, as you could see, they didn't have a huge run. I could talk about Khiron real quick. I've been noticing a pattern with Khiron. I'm gonna look at the Canadian Khiron. I'll let you guys know the pattern that I've been seeing with Khiron. It seems like Khiron, hold on. What is this? Oh, this is the 1 day chart. Now let's look at the 1 minute chart. So Khiron seems to always start the day, if they, so look, they ended the day red today, right? So that will most likely mean that on Monday they're gonna start the day very green. So if you see this pattern, I don't know if you guys noticed this pattern, but Khiron, if they start the day green, throughout the day they decline, and then at the end of the day they push forward. So look right here on the 19th, they started a red hot green. Throughout the day they declined, and then by the end of the day they push forward. So if they ended the day green, they started it red the next day, they push forward. Throughout the day they declined, and then by the end of the day they push forward again. And it just seems to have the same pattern. Starts the day strong, throughout the day declines. By the end of the day, well, this one, it was like in the afternoon they pushed forward, and then they ended weak. But then the next day, they just seem to be going in waves throughout the day. So I've been riding these waves. I've bought and sold Khiron twice. I'm gonna have a video on exactly how much I sold, how much I bought, coming out hopefully soon, or maybe throughout the weekend I'll post that video. But Khiron, I like their pattern. This is the second time I'm swing trading Khiron, day trading Khiron. I've sold all my shares. I think I've purchased almost 3,000, 2,700. You know what? I'll show you guys a little preview of what I purchased with Khiron. So yeah, right here, 1,500 I purchased. Then I bought another 1,000, and I completely sold all my shares. I've been like buying and selling at 3% gains. So Khiron seems to be a very nice swing trade company for me. I've been pretty successful swing trading Khiron, so I'm very happy with Khiron. I think I already answered whether MedMen is a long-term hold. Honestly, I don't know enough about the company. Looking at the charts, just by looking at MedMen, I feel confident holding on to them in the short term, doing swing trades with them because they do look good on paper. But long term, I don't know enough about the company to be holding on to them long term. Um, Either way, guys, that's it for now. Keep a lookout for IGCC. I'm not recommending to chase this stock because this stock is just super volatile. There's a lot of red flags around this company. But I personally think that they're just simply on fire right now. Well, I don't personally think, that's a fact. They're up over 400% today. They're the hottest stock on my watch list. The second hottest stock on my watch list is Roku. They announced amazing earnings. Roku went up 25% today. So just keep an eye on those companies, and that's it for now, guys. I'll see you guys next time. I'll be posting a video soon. Don't forget, leave me a thumbs up, guys. Leave me a quick little thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.